Hey there, future innovators. Are you ready to take your school projects to the next level? Today, we're diving into the realm of creativity to help you transform those typical assignments into something extraordinary. Let's get started. Tip number 1: embrace originality. The first step in making your projects stand out is embracing originality. It's easy to follow the tried and true path, but true creativity often emerges when you venture off the beaten track. Think about different angles, perspectives, and unique ways to approach your project. Embrace your individuality and don't be afraid to let your ideas shine. Tip number 2: research and inspiration. Research is the foundation of any great project. Explore various sources, not just for information, but also for inspiration. Look at different mediums, artists, historical events, or even nature. Inspiration can come from the most unexpected places. The more you immerse yourself in diverse concepts, the more innovative your project can become. Tip number 3: brainstorming techniques. Brainstorming is a powerful tool. It's about generating a multitude of ideas without filtering them at first. Try mind mapping, sketching, or listing out thoughts. Once you have a pool of ideas, sift through them, combine concepts, and find the ones that resonate most with your vision. Sometimes, the craziest ideas lead to the most brilliant outcomes. Tip number 4: collaboration and feedback. Two heads are better than one, and a diverse group of heads? Even better. Collaborating with peers not only brings in varied perspectives but also fosters an environment where creativity thrives. Don't shy away from seeking feedback. Constructive criticism helps refine your ideas and often leads to breakthroughs you wouldn't have thought of on your own. Tip number 5: experiment and innovation. Don't be afraid to experiment. Use different materials, try unconventional approaches, and explore new technologies. Innovation often stems from pushing the boundaries and trying something unexpected. This is where your project can truly stand out. Now that you've got a toolkit to supercharge your creativity, it's time to apply these strategies to your school projects. Remember, the goal isn't just to impress your teacher but to express yourself in your unique perspective. So go ahead, dare to be different, and let your creativity shine.